Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to unlock CFD on Etoro. So as you can see, I have downloaded the application Etoro. You can either try it in your mobile phone or the browser as well. So once downloaded, open the application and make sure that you have already logged in with your account as well. So it will take a few seconds to load, and after that, once you are on this page, you will be seeing the home, watch wallet, like the portfolio discover, all the options. So as you can see that they are asking me to verify your account. Now if you want to unlock the CFD, it is very important that you complete your verification in this mobile phone, like in this app. Now as you can see, my verification is not completed. I have only completed like 25 to 30%. And if you want to unlock CFD, it is very important to give them all the details. And once you give them all the details, they will basically, once the completion is on the 100%, they will ask you a few questions in this section, either home section. You just need to scroll down, and they will ask you a few questions to test your like trading knowledge, the CFD suitability test, which you can say that. And they will ask you the basic understanding about the leverage, the margin, and the CFD risks. So you just need to confirm all those informations. And once you have confirmed everything along with your identity, along with the CFD margins, risks, leverage, and everything, once you have like completed the test, they will automatically unlock your CFD. And let's say that you are still not be able to unlock the CFD, you can just go to help and resources and just contact them and ask them that you have completed all the tests. Now you can just, they can just unlock your CFD. So within few days of like, the support will contact you and unlock your CFD. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can do it.